Welcome to Profit Calculator Mastery. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use ScalePilot's Advanced Profit Calculator to model your potential returns with precision. We'll cover smart defaults and scenario analysis, everything you need for accurate profitability forecasting. Let's start with the game-changing Smart Defaults feature. See this quick setup section with category buttons? Click on any category. Let's try beauty and personal care. Watch how the calculator instantly populates realistic values. Cost of goods, $18, shipping fee, $9, FBA fee, $3, referral fee, $15, and ad spend being $5. These aren't random numbers, they're based on real category data. Try pet supplies and see completely different defaults. Cost of goods, $16, shipping would be $8, and ad spend would be $5. This saves you hours of research. Now let's customize the inputs. You have 6 key fields: product price, cost of goods, shipping, FBA fee, referral fee, and ad spend. Notice how the profit calculations update in real time as you type. Change a product from $25 to $50. See how the profit margin turns from 100% negative to breaking even. This calculator shows you profit per unit, profit margin percentage, and total estimated profit. The profitability calculator also has quick scenarios that automatically adjust your ad spend and your FBA fees based on your product price. You can see conservative scenarios, realistic scenarios, and optimistic scenarios for your pricing and your profit margin. The color-coded status tells you if it's excellent, good, or poor. The calculator can also analyze specific products. When you come from trending opportunities, the calculator preloads with real product data, allowing you to calculate the profit for any product that you want to look up. See how it displays the actual product title and the niche that it's under? The pricing data comes from real Amazon data, giving you accurate starting points for your calculations. This integration makes your profit analysis incredibly precise. Let's talk scenario analysis. The calculator helps you model different outcomes. Try increasing your COGS by 20%. Maybe your supplier raised prices. See how your profit margin drops from 72 to negative 8%? Now let's model a best case scenario. Reduce your cost of goods by around 10% and increase your price by, let's say, $10. Your margin jumps almost 60%. This scenario modeling helps you understand your risk and upside potential before you even launch. Pay attention to the profit status indicators. Excellent means 30% margin, good is generally 20 to 30%, solid opportunities, and poor is normally below 10%, usually not worth the risk. This calculator also considers your total profit per unit. A 40% margin might sound great, but if you're only making $2 per unit, the absolute profit might not justify the effort. The beauty of ScalePilot is how everything connects. Use a niche navigator to find opportunities, check risk scores, then validate profitability using the profitability calculator. You now know how to model profitability like a pro. Use smart defaults to get started quickly and always run multiple scenarios. Next, check out our performance analyzer tutorial to see how your products stack up against the competition. Happy calculating.